Hello, student. Today we'll focus on talking about those troublesome Cyperaceae weeds in fields. I know you often encounter troubles from this type of weed in rice paddies and low-lying areas, especially difficult ones like purple nutgrass and water sedge. Through this lesson, I'll guide you to systematically master identification tricks for Cyperaceae weeds and control techniques, enabling you during field management to accurately identify and effectively control them. First, we need to understand several key identification features of Cyperaceae weeds. The most distinctive feature of this type of weed is their triangular stems. You can clearly feel it by touching them. Their leaves are usually linear, arranged in 3 rows, with closed leaf sheaths. This is the biggest difference from poaceae weeds. For example, purple nutgrass has typical triangular stems with a distinctive texture. Another important feature is their root system. Many Cyperaceae weeds have well-developed underground reproductive organs. Like purple nutgrass has brown tubers. Water sedge has slender rhizomes. These are key to their rapid spread. Flower and fruit characteristics are also important. Cyperaceae inflorescences are usually arranged in small spikelets. Fruits are triangular achenes. Next time in the field, you can focus on observing these features. Let's specifically look at several common Cyperaceae weeds. First to mention is purple nutgrass. This is one of the most common noxious weeds in dryland. Its plant height is generally 20 to 60 centimeters. Stems erect and smooth. Leaves stiffer than grasses. Most special is its tuber, spindle-shaped, arranged in series on the rhizomes. This makes it extremely difficult to eradicate. Then there's water sedge. This is a major weed in rice paddies. Plant height 30 to 80 centimeters. Stems relatively thin and weak, prefers growing in waterlogged environments. Its rhizomes are white and slender, can spread underwater. There's also variable sedge. Its characteristic is shorter plant type, usually not exceeding 30 centimeters, but with extremely strong tillering ability, can form dense grass clumps. During their growing season, you can easily spot them in fields. Speaking of control, we need to adopt comprehensive measures. For dryland weeds like purple nutgrass, first, do deep plowing well. Turn out underground tubers to dry. For chemical control, glyphosate works well, but note to use during weed vigorous growth period. You can also try metsulfuron methyl, which has good inhibitory effect on purple nutgrass tubers. For aquatic weeds like water sedge, before rice transplanting, use pretilichlor for soil closure. During growth period, use pyrazole sulfuron ethyl for foliar treatment. But remember, long-term use of single herbicide easily produces resistance. Best to rotate herbicides with different modes of action. Prevention measures are also important. I suggest after crop harvest, timely clear field weeds, reduce stock of seeds and propagules. For paddy fields, through crop rotation between dryland and wetland, can break Cyperaceae weed growth cycle. Maintaining good field drainage can also effectively inhibit some Cyperaceae weed growth. Also, using well-decomposed organic fertilizer is important, because undecomposed organic fertilizer may contain weed seeds. Finally, a reminder, the critical period for Cyperaceae weed control is during their early growth stage, when they grow to middle-late stage, especially after they start setting seed. Control effectiveness will be greatly reduced. So usually observe fields more. Treat weeds promptly when discovered. If you encounter uncertain situations during identification, feel free to send me photos anytime. We'll analyze together. Believe through systematic learning and practice, you'll definitely become an expert in Cyperaceae weed control. Next lesson, we'll discuss another important weed group. Remember to watch on time.